Hello everybody, today I'm going to speak about how to move and transfer pivot with just one click, like that. So we are here, pivot there, just with one click you can select and recenter pivot. So now, where is the pivot? There, just click here and now pivot here. So the same. Okay, you can just with one click you can remove your pivot like that, and you can make it in just one click. We will explain all of these details in this video. Before we start, don't forget to like for my video and subscribe for my channel, and let's get started. Hello everybody, today I'm going to speak about how to resolve the main problem when you insert model from Kitbash like this models. Sometime when I insert this model, maybe I need to remove this model. Look for pivot like here, and when I play with this model, look where is pivot. So the fast way to do it, all YouTuber when they explain how to resolve this problem, just click Alt in keyboard and middle mouse and just right click and set pivot, offset. Okay, now this is here. So if I didn't make this step like here, for example, if I need to make center for this building, for example, or anything, Alt, okay, and middle click or scroll, and you can move this object. But look, if I select another object like this and I come here, where is pivot? Here. So you must select Alt and middle click and right click and pivot, set pivot offset. So if you look for this, just you want to play with all this model for this nice amazing modeling from Kitbash. I like it so much. So for example, around 10,000 model. So all time I need to make like this, right click and set pivot. So it take from me a lot of time. The best way to resolve this problem, you need to go to edit and editor preferences and go to shortcut keyboard shortcut, okay, and right pivot. Okay, now set as pivot offset, set as pivot offset. So you can write any keyboard as you like. I make it Alt V, or you can Control Shift V or anything, and now close this one. So when I come here, just for example, I need to make offset for this one. Where is the pivot? Here. So just Alt middle click and Alt V. Now if I select anyone and come here, look in the middle. Now another one, pivot there, just Alt and middle click, Alt V, and now here anyone, where is the pivot? There. So just I need Alt middle click, Alt V. If you forget which keyboard, which shortcut I select, just click here, pivot, and you will see which keyboard shortcut you select. Alt V here. Now just Alt V, and now this in the center. Okay, now we are here, just Alt V, Alt V, Alt V. So now you can move and you can rotate anything okay? But now just with 1 second you can resolve all problem. Thanks for watching. If this is the first time at my channel, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video. See you in the next video. Salam alaikum.